Hey guys, so today I'm putting new brakes on my wife's 4Runner. She's got 38,000 miles on the original rear brakes. The front brakes have been turned. The front pads are original, which are semi-metallic, but the front rotors have been turned 3 times because every 10 to 15,000 miles they warp. So the front rotors and rear rotors are still good, but the rears are down to the squealers. So I went ahead and bought some nice ceramic pads from Napa. I forget who makes them. So these are what I got. These are Akidono, I think they're Japanese, Akidono pads. They have really good reviews and they're full ceramic. That's the part number for front or back, I don't know. And then this is the other part number they gave me. So I'm going to be putting these on. Okay. So you're going to need, what is this, 13/16 to remove the wheels. By the way, the torque on these is 85 foot-pounds. This is a 2015 4Runner. See, there's not really any grooving. But look at how low these things are. They're squeaking real bad. So you got 1, 2 nuts. Let's see how big they are. What is this? 15? Okay. Nope. How about a 17? Yep. Alright. See if I can get this with the impact. Alright. Nope, won't do it. That sucks. For whatever reason, my impact wouldn't break this loose. Yeah, I'm not trying to steal it. There's one of these pins. You need to make sure you grease these before you put them back in. Clean them and grease them. The 4th generation and previous 4Runners had problems with the caliper sticking. Okay. There we go. I'm going to use a pry bar here and be gentle. Okay, look at that. Pretty much gone. There's the original Toyota part number. There we go. The inside one was a little better, but still pretty much gone. This is the ACT 606. These look like the rears. Okay. Look at how much thicker these are. These full ceramics compared to the old ones that are worn out. Look at that. That's like night and day. There we go. There you go, guys. That's what new brakes looks like. And now with the caliper, what you want to do is you want to get a C-clamp and you want to compress the piston in so that you can clear these new pads, because as you can see, it's not going to fit right now. You can see what I'm doing here. I'm compressing the piston in. And you want to go nice and slow so you don't crack it, because if you crack the piston cup, you're going to be replacing the entire caliper. You basically want to get it all the way in. Alright, here we go. They should fit. Yep. And then you want to put these little rubber boots inside. You want to try and get them. It's hard to do with one hand, but you want to get them lined up so when you put the pin back in, it goes through. Alright. And then with the pins, you want to clean them off and put the new grease on them that comes with the pads. So now I've got the pins greased up and just put back in here, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to snug them down a little bit, and then I'm going to have to find out what the torque spec is. So I didn't look that up before. And of course, I can't get to this one with the impact. Wow. I wonder what that was. There's a little rubber cap on the end of each one of these pins, and the pin forced all the air out and it shot that thing into me. I don't know where it went. I want to put it back on there. I don't want water getting in. It's too bad. Maybe this is it. Oh yeah, that's it. Okay. Here's a little cap that popped out. Just push it back in. There we go. Okay, so the next thing I need to do now that I have the slide pins back in is torque them down 65 foot-pounds. According to 4 pounds for Toyota 4Runners. Alright, now we put the wheel back on. Torque the lug nuts down to 85 foot-pounds. And this is a lug-centric wheel. It's not a hub-centric like my truck. So it's a little bit harder to get everything going, since it doesn't really sit evenly. Won't be able to torque it till it's back on the ground. Alright, now you want to torque the lug nuts to 85 foot-pounds. In a cross pattern, obviously. I like to do it twice just to make sure I got everything. There we go. Always make sure you use a jack stand. I like to leave the jack under there as extra. And I like to shake the truck. Make sure it's stable. Let's take a look, see how bad these front pads are. Not too bad, you know, but I got the new one, so I might as well do them. And the front rotor. Front rotor's okay. So let's see, we've got 1, 2, probably 2/17. Okay. And this hardline bracket is 1 bolt. Out. Pull this one out. It's a little safety wire. And pinch this thing together. Pull the pin. Pull this other pin. Pull that thing out. One pad. Two pads. That's what they look like. Let's see what the new ones look like. Here's the new pads and this part number for the front, ACT 976. Look at that. And the new ones are ceramic, and the original OEMs are semi-metallic. So we'll see how they perform, but I think they should do better. So what I'm doing with the fronts is, in order to fit the new pads in, I'm just compressing the pistons with a pair of channel locks, so I don't have to take this whole thing off. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Just squeeze gently. There you go. Let's see if the new pad fits in now. Okay, here we go. Bam. Look at that. Oop, too deep. I'm going to go ahead and do the other one. Okay. I'm going to push the second one out. You got to be careful. You got to do it a few times. Okay. Let's see if this other pad fits in here. There we go. Perfect. Alright, now what we're going to do is clean up these pins, grease them up, and put them back in. Alright, so we've got it back together now. I've greased up these pins. I've put the keepers back in. And I'm going to go ahead and see what's up with this. I don't think that goes like that. Yeah, it goes in like that. Okay, cool. So I'm going to go ahead and tighten up these bolts. I didn't even need to take them out. I'm not sure why I even took them out, but they're also torqued to 65 foot-pounds, I believe. Nice to have a stool like this. It saves your back. And for $45 or $50, it's a pretty good deal. I forget where I got it though. I think it was Napa. So I wouldn't work at Discount Tire. There you have it, guys. New pads on this side. I'll do the same on the other side, and I'm not going to show you that because it's the same exact process on both sides. Thanks for watching. Tune in next time.